Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this how to tone down your eyeshadow if it's really pigmented video, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I have done one of these videos before for you guys, but it's been a while, so I don't know if you know that you can mix Shadowsense with other colors to make a different color and put it on your eyes. If you do not know what Shadowsense is a cream base that turns the powder after 60 to 90 seconds. Once it's set into place, you have it's smudge-proof, waterproof, anti-aging, crease-proof, layable, buildable, and hydrating, and so much more. So I'm going to be doing a pink look for you, and I'm going to be using, this comes in different packaging, but I'm going to be doing a simple pink matte look. This is perfect for spring, and I'm going to use my cap, and I'm going to be mixing them, I think all of them together. So before you start applying different colors, you always want to start out with a base, and today I just opened Candlelight, I couldn't even think of the name, which is a peachy undertone that cancels out any redness, any discoloration, any blues, any veins. If you are on the lighter shade, you want to use Sandstone Pearl. It comes in these tubes, and they last from anywhere from, they say about 8 months, but if you're using it every single day, like I use Candlelight, because I also use it for my concealer, even though we have concealers, it'll last you probably 4 months. But if you've been around a while, you know I've had Shadowsense from the very beginning for like 3-4 years, and they still work. So they do come in these tubes, and once you are dry to the bone, I'll pick one, there is a stopper that you pull out with tweezers, and you get 20% more of product. So I will put a link down below so that you can shop this pink look that I'm doing, or any Shadowsense colors you want. When you pick what you have, you go to checkout, and right before you go to checkout, you click on checkout. There's a button that you click, it says preferred Kids and Doll customer. You click that, you get 10% off all your purchases all year round. So let's say Citizens was having a sale on Shadowsense for 15% off. If you use my code and sign up by clicking that button, you get an extra 10% off that if a person didn't sign up, they wouldn't get it. So if you spend $100, you get free shipping, samples. Spend $150, you get free shipping, free samples, your products, and a gift, and you still get your products with $100, but you have to click that button for me to get credit for it. So here I go. So first of all, BLUSHSENSE is our blush that you apply. You can use it also for for your eyes. It's very, very pigmented. This one is Pink Berry. So I'm only going to add like a dot. So, and our BLUSHSENSES are cream to powder. They are long lasting, they are water resistant, so it's going to last as long as you want it to. So that's probably way too much, but it's a little dot, and we're just gonna go with it. So then I'm gonna take Ballet slipper. This is a light pink Shadowsense. I've worn it as a one and done. I might add chocolate cherry to it since the blushes are so pigmented, you don't need much. So there is Ballet slipper right there. It's like a light pink. And then I'm gonna do Pretty in pink and see what. Okay, I put a little bit more of the Pretty in pink around, and then I'm gonna take, I don't know if I'm gonna do chocolate cherry yet. So I'm gonna take the end of a brush, and this is what I have, and start mixing it all together to see what. It's like a really pretty pink. So I already have Candlelight on. This is my base. I'm just gonna take it. Wow. Ooh. That's definitely toned down. That's part of the blush. I might have to add a different color or colors over top of this, but I just wanted to show you guys you can mix colors to make multiple eyeshadows, and they're going to last you until you take it off. So that is definitely toning it down, because the pink berry is very, very bright. So you don't, like I said, our blushes are very pigmented. This is definitely says spring all over. So while that is setting up drying, even though you have 60 to 90 seconds to apply it, yes, I did go in and just apply it, but sometimes I wait to go in and pat it, especially with the shimmers and the glitters, but once they are set into place, they do not smudge, they do not budge, there's no fallout throughout the day. So I'm going to take my concealer brush and just kind of go over top of places where I think this is so pretty on its own, but I'm going to use Mocha Java for my contour, and I'm going to apply it. And then, okay, I think it's a little bright, but I think that now I'm just going to oh, here it is. Pretty in pink. I'm just going to add these two Shadowsenses over top to tone it a little bit down. So there is Pretty in pink. I'll do another video on how to mix Shadowsense, because I'm gonna name this one How to Tone It Down. That is super, super bright. This is definitely spring. So I'm going to add chocolate cherry to for my blush. So this comes out brown, but when it's applied, it turns pink. It's a really pretty color. So, and if you see, pink. It's a little pink. So, forgot what I was going to say. Oh, if you haven't seen my like blush for eyeshadow, I use chocolate cherry because you can actually use the BLUSHSENSE for your lips too. It's not going to last as long as lashsense would, but yeah. So I'm gonna take that same brush, pat it in. Oh my gosh, this screams spring. Ooh, I'm glad I did it this way. So now I'm gonna take the lighter Ballet slipper. Just gonna put that on the bottom, all over my eye. Doing layering too. Oh yeah, I definitely toned it down a lot with Ballet slipper. Wow, this is like purple pink. I like it a lot. So now I'm going to do my lash primer and waterproof lash black mascara. If you're looking for something to grow your lashes, this is perfect. I'm actually going to do it off camera because the lashsense needs to dry and I don't want to bore you guys with that. So I will be back. Okay, one thing I forgot to do on camera was my eyeliner. So I did my eyeliner really fast and I did a lashsense color. I mixed two of them because you can do that. You can mix three and make one color. They're layable. Like, this makeup is amazing. So I'm going to add a little, like, to brighten up my inner corner of my eye. I can't think of what it is, but I'm using Whisper Pink. So, gonna brighten that inner eye. You can use your finger or you can use a brush, and I'm just okay, sorry about that. I'm back with the end result. I just tapped the Whisper Pink in there. This is a go-to look for spring. I'm so happy that I mixed all this to show you guys. Please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.